Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you some spring twists that I did on my mother's hair. This is going to be the individual spring twist without using the rubber bands. As you can see, I went in with some jam as well as some gel of your choice. This is going to be the hair that we use. This hair is from Amazon, and I believe you get 3 packs for $30 if I'm not mistaken. And as you can see, it does come in this ombre color. The color that she got was the T350. So because I don't really know how to grip that well, I know how to braid, but my gripping is terrible. I wanted to go ahead and do a method on her hair that wasn't damaging, and I know that rubber bands can sometimes be damaging. So I went ahead and I plaited her hair down just a little bit, maybe like 2 or 3 times, just to gather the hair together. I took my crochet needle, I sticked it through, and then I'm going to show you 2 different ways that I attach the actual hair to the crochet needle. Now, this is the hair straight out of the pack. As you can see, the curls are tightly together in uniform, and we want to go ahead and separate that so that it's easier for us to get that twist that we're looking for, that spring twist that we're looking for. So that's what I did here. I went ahead and I fluffed the hair. However, with me doing it this way, I did notice that there was another way that I'm going to show you after this that I would prefer better, because it was easier for me to attach it to the latch hook. So it's pretty much up to you and what you want to do, but I am going to show you 2 ways, and this is going to be one of them. So you're just going to attach the hair. You're going to pull one side through. So you're not going to pull both sides, just one. And then you're going to grab your gel. Now, I already used the jam, which is kind of like an edge control. I used that already when I plaited her hair down, just to gather the hair together. So I'm just going to go in with my gel. I'm going to run the gel down her hair, and I am going to twist towards the right. I do believe that twisting it in the right direction makes a difference. So I'm just showing you that I am going to continuously go with product on my hand and just twist the hair all the way down. And then when you get to the ends, you want to twist the ends around your finger to give you that coily curl at the end. And the white residue that you see on her hair is leave-in conditioner, and her hair was a little damp. And I did apologize, I forgot to do the ends of that twist, but we're moving into the second method. So with this method, as you can see, I put the hair on the latch the way that it came out the pack, like already uniform. That way it was a little easier for me to pull it through. Then once it was already through, then I went ahead and separated the hair. This method was my favorite, so that's why you will see me continuously do it this way throughout the whole video. And then, like I said, you just want to put some product on the hair, gather the hair together, split it in 2, of course. Sorry, I forgot to say that. And then you're just going to go ahead and twist the hair towards the right. Then when you get to the ends, you're going to twirl it around your finger. And that's it. So easy, so simple, so easy to do. And I'm not going to talk y'all through this video. Definitely stay around for the end of the video so y'all can see the end results and the products that I put on the hair after finishing. For her edges, I just went ahead with some of my Got To Be Glue styling gel, and I laid her edges down. And you just want to make sure you tie them down for you to get that sleek look in the front. And then I went ahead after that and I added some styling mousse. Now I didn't have, usually I would use this other mousse that I have, but I didn't have any, so we're gonna go ahead and use the Lottie Body styling mousse, and we're going to put that all over the hair. And this is the finished look. Look how beautiful she looks. Now y'all can see where I get my beautiful smile from. Definitely my mother, and those rosy cheeks definitely comes from her. She absolutely loved her hair. I'm gonna put in the audio of what she sent me the morning after. She's in love. My stepdaddy loved him as well. I'm happy to do this for her. I told her, you got to catch me when I ain't got no nails on, and I got you. And that's exactly what she did. So I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video.
Good morning, TheKeyisME. I just love my hair. Thank you so much for beautifying your mom. Mwah.